Alright, number 12. So number 12, what do we got? Let's draw in the forces that we know, first of all. I know that gravity pulls down on this one at 196. And I know that gravity also pulls down on this one at 196. I know that there's a normal force involved in both of these. And this one's got friction, and this one doesn't. Oh, man. So let's see. I'm going to break both of these down into their x and their y components. So I take 196 times the sine of 45. I get 139. And then this is also 139 because it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now I'll break this one down into its y component, into its x component. This is 30, so I take half of 196. I get 98 newtons. And then multiply that by the square root of 3, and I get 170. Or you can use the sine and cosine it. It's up to you. Alright, now gravity pulls this one down at 139, and gravity pulls this one down 98. Looks like this one's going to win. This one, so it gets pulled up this way at 139 newtons, and the other one gets pulled this way by 98. So my guess is that these are going to accelerate uphill. So to figure out, oh wait, I got friction going on here. So my normal force is 170. So to find friction, I'll take the force of friction as the coefficient times the normal force. The coefficient is 0.2 and the normal force is 170. So 0.2 times 170 is 34 newtons. So my guess is that friction pulls this way at 34 newtons because I'm thinking it goes uphill. Now here's my question. Is 139, is that big enough to overpower 98 and 34? If I add those together, 98 plus 34, I get 132. So gravity and friction are opposing at 132, and this is pulling one. Yes, it is. So I can actually figure out the acceleration now. The things that pull downhill. 132. That was the 98 and the 34. And the things that pull uphill is 139. My mass is both of these, 40, and the acceleration is unknown. So that acceleration comes out to be, it'll be a negative number, but that just means it's going in that direction. So it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative. It comes out to be 0.18 meters per second squared. So these things are accelerating at 0.18 meters per second squared. Now to find the tension. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at just this box. And I'll come over here. F equals ma. So here's my force of my tension. The things that pull downhill, 98, 34. The things that pull uphill, tension. The mass is 20, and the acceleration is uphill, negative 0.18. So you solve this for your tensile force, and it comes out to be, hopefully it's got to be less than 139 if it's accelerating up, because just like in the other problems, my guess is a little bit less. Solving this, you get 136 newtons. That's the tensile force.